Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have ZTE Blade V50 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. First step to do that is from main menu we must go to the Google Chrome, where we press 3 dots on the right corner and now settings. In it, password manager, and there we have our password manager settings, maybe right there where we turn on or turn off some function. But to manage our password which our smartphone remember, we must press on this icon, maybe to our messenger. Now we must enter our lock screen, and after that we can manage our Google passwords. We can copy email, copy passwords, add note to that, and after we press this ice icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. We can delete it by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.